So yeah, this is my second video. Um, why is he standing there? Okay, good. Okay, he's using feather to what does he do? Oh, yeah, I'm not winning this. I'm not winning this. You're already like comboing me like this. Yeah, I ain't winning. I don't know why do people really like to use their hands when it's okay. I used it yesterday, that last video, but that doesn't make any sense, dog. Okay. Okay, just do it. Do it. Uh. Oh, guys. What the fuck was this skin, dog? Just kill me. Yeah, do it. Do it. Do it. Do it, dog. Like, your name is literally I kiss cute fanboy. Like, no. Like, no, just punch me already. I'm ain't kissing you, dog. I'm ain't kissing a fanboy. Wait, I made it even worse. Can I open this? Wait, my mouse. My mouse. Oh, my mouse. Yo, that's IT. Oh shit, I'm cooked. I'm fully cooked. Like, I don't know how did I even land those hits out in him. Oh, okay. I think he gave me the win. Obviously he gave me the win. Like, dog, no way I actually won this. Like, I didn't win against a fanboy. You think I would win against a high tier, dog? Really? Yeah, my aim is just that bad. GG's. Bro, I just went against his idea. I just went against that idea. Yes. Oh my god. Yo. I just won against a fucking high tier, dog. Look. I think he's bad. I don't think he's an actual high tier, but look, I won. Like, no way. I just won against a high tier. No way. Oh god. This is actually sick, dog. This is actually pretty sick. This is actually sick. Bro, I feel confident, like, yeah, I think I might, like, actually beat anyone I'm against. Dude, I just collide, just like, I'm so sorry. Bro, I don't care about Battlefield. Yo, no way. No way, like, no way. Oh shit, my mouse, my mouse is broke. Kinda broke. My mouse, no, my mouse, uh, yeah, bro, this guy actually sweet. GG's. Okay, now I gotta like fix my mic, dog. No way, my mic. I mean my mouse. Yeah, it's better. Oh wait. Hmm? Yeah, I know I'm trying to get better at the sword, but I don't think joining a party would make it like makes this bad, because I think they might like use a sword, like, you know. I don't really know, to be honest. Well, this is actually sick. To be honest, the one who created this map, the lobby, is just sick. This is actually sick, dog. Like, how many details there is in this. It's just too good. Okay, can't. Yo, Wayne should actually use this. Should actually use this crown, dog. This shit actually looks peak. What am I doing? Like, are you supposed to be doing like sword and shit? I'm in. What? Whoa! I didn't see this. Okay, let's start. Okay, thank you. Okay, just come here and let me kill you, please. I don't have all day. 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 Guys. Wait, let me do a 360. I'm joking, I'm joking. Chill, I'm joking. Okay, yeah, this guy is actually good. Just die! Bro, just look at his health. Just look at his health. If I like just turn that out at the right second, yeah, he might be dead, but no, I'm just too bad at the game. Yo, I really gotta know how to time the crit. GG's. It's okay, I guess like being a high or a high tier or a low tier doesn't mean you're kinda unkillable. Yo, what the hell? Hey, stop moving. I wanna know you're a guy or not. I'm sure that's a fish. I just wanna know why is this fish always stuck here? Like, bro, just move, please. Just move. Oh god. Yeah, I guess I broke the door. Like, I don't know. Yo, 7 combos. Okay, yeah, I'm dead, but 7 combos is just sick. It's just too good. Okay, it just feels it's too good. Okay, I ended this with a 2 combo. Okay, it's at least I won this round. I don't know if he would. What? I don't know. I'm kind of sure he would win. Guys. Okay, one last round. Damn, this round was actually like kind of fast. Yeah, I like breaking the door. Yeah, bro, I don't know why, bro, was shifting. Like, no, you ain't ganking with me, though. We ain't being a gank, so yeah, don't shift. Trust me. I like you know that I know that you know that you know that I know that you know that I know that you now will die. So don't try to gag on me. Yeah, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead as dead. Just kill me. Just kill me. Alright, well, that was about the video. Hope you guys like and sub. I know like this video might be like just insanely like the last one, which is literally nobody saw it, but you know, so anyone could just pretend that he's famous and oh my god, look, thank you guys for the 0.01 view in the last video. Yeah, I can do this, but well, nobody even like literally I'm the only one who's watching the video, so I can basically just say thank you to myself. I'm really thankful. You really helped me in the last video. So yeah. Yeah, so hope you guys like the video. If you watch it, hope you enjoy it. If you fucking watch it. So yeah, see you later. Peace.